G'day and welcome to Detour Racing. G'day gang, another update on Flipper 1 here, being the Altra9 VE Commodore. This car is for sale. Any questions about it, reach out to the guys at Altra9 and they can tell you all about it. The boot, as you know, is all finished. We didn't do anything in the cabin this week. It was pretty much just waiting for termination and one little part to arrive. We spent our time this week doing the engine bay and also getting into the engine and transmission. The engine bay is done, just a few terminations to do with it. And the engine, I'm going to show it to you in just a sec, it's well and truly making headway. Let's go and have a good look at it all. I know that you can see all the spaghetti on top of the engine. If you look a little closer into the background here a bit, you'll see that we've now got some cabling coming off of the power pass-throughs there on the firewall, just to the right-hand side of the screen there. And they feed around all the way over into this area here where the power steering pump is mounted up, along with a couple of other bits and pieces that are necessary to make this car work. Anyway, all of that is done. We might even be able to see it down here, how it runs along the subframe rail there, goes along, tucks up and around and back across to the other side. Down this side on the subframe rail, got a very small little piece of harness. Its sole purpose in life is for the left-hand headlight. The engine and transmission, as I said before, making really good headway with that. You can see on the air intake here that there's already quite a few connectors terminated and a lot of braid applied to all of that cabling. And then on top of the engine, we've got a spaghetti, and there's more to go into that yet before we can get too carried away with actually terminating and braiding that up. You can see how some of the spaghetti has made its way around the back of the engine there, and it's just laying down there ready and waiting for braid and then eventual termination into the big connectors there just on the right hand side of that black panel. All the cabling for the transmission and O2 sensors is finished. It's all terminated down on the actual transmission and the O2 sensors. It's all braided up, just waiting to be mounted up, and then it'll be brought up and terminated up here along with the rest of the engine. As you can see, a nice big bowl of spaghetti here in the engine bay. All going well. This will look a lot different next update. It was only a short week this week. When you're watching this, Connie and I are actually away having a very long weekend, and I'll be back at it partway through next week, and we will get a lot more done. All going well, and I say this with fingers crossed, literally. I like to think that we'll be very close to having this entire project ready to send back to the guys at Altra9 in the next few weeks. Anyway, thanks for watching and for your comments, and I will get another update out to you next week. Bye for now.